welcome to Big Daddy's Cook Show. We at Kartchner. Hopefully I'm pronouncing that right. Specialty meats. Let's check out and see what they got going on inside of here. Yeah. Let me get that door for you. Burger $5.99. You want a burger? Yes, sir. You got what? Oh, yeah. Okay. Got a nice little sitting area. Let's see what you got. Got seasonings, pots. Oh, wow. Look at this, folks. All kind of special meats, sausages, stuffed breast, stuffed pork chop, crawfish pies, stuffed avocados. I'm like, these people got everything. This is a 10 out of 10. I'm loving it. Man, look at this.
Cornbread stuffed
Amazing. You know I had to shop and get my basket full. You already know.
Crab meat pie. Crawfish pie. My God. Chicken breast, pepper jack stuff. I might have to get one of them. Jalapeno butters. Wow. That looks amazing. Garnish in. Fresh chicken sausage. Man, that look amazing. Love it.
Fries, last but not least, beef in it.